Hi, today in this video I will show you my last paper creation for this Halloween. This is a super cute and funny paper bat that I created using a kitchen roll, but you can use also a toilet paper roll. It depends which one you have. So I used in this case a kitchen paper roll that I cut in half in order to create two of these paper bats. So let's get started. You will need this, and then you will need to do in this way. You will need to press down these two parts. Press down toward inside, and the same in this way, in order to create this. So, and then using a pencil we will create the eyes and the mouth. We will start with the mouth, that you can create as you prefer, long as you prefer. Okay, the teeth, it's a bat and a monster together. And now the eyes, I prefer to create a sort of eye in this way. Okay, and the other one a little larger. It's a bat and a monster together. Okay, with this you can decorate your home and your table for a funny Halloween party. Okay, now with a piece of black paper we will need to create the two wings. So better to, with the pencil, trace one and then cut together the other one. Allora, we will need to do in this way. Okay, and then you can do so in, sorry, wrong scissor, with a pair of scissors. Cut your wing. Okay, and then okay, here are the wings. We can cancel if we want the lines that we traced before, and so okay, now with a little glue we will glue the wings on the back, to the back here, and then press down like I'm doing. Okay, and here your super funny paper bat. They are so cute, so funny, and a great home decor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye!